Segan. Everybody make some noise. Come on. Upper cover. You know what that is?
What?
Upper cover.
No. No, I don't know.
It means how are you?
Thank you. Fine. Fine.
Excellent. So we would like to say selamat datang, which means welcome here at Golf Booth. So you guys know who is who, right? Yeah! Okay, tell me, who's this?
Hi to everybody. How are you? Fine.
Alright. And who's this?
Hello.
Alright, so can you just shout out to everyone that's watching right now? Because how do you enjoy Malaysia so far?
As always, we enjoy Malaysia. Also, when the result like today, not the best. But in English, we got a lot of support from the people.
We come here 2 times per year because we come also in the winter as well. So yeah, nice place. I like this track and I like to race in the new conditions. So yeah, can wait for tomorrow race.
Yeah, well, all the best people. So Golf is the major partner of Aprilia Racing. So how does it feel to have our support?
It's a really historic brand with a really good story. So we are proud both support us. I think it's really good for everybody. It's really good. Thank you. Good.
Yeah, as Andrea said, Golf has a big history behind them. Always involved on the racing world in cars and bikes. So yeah, it's a pleasure to show Golf around the world in our library, and yeah, looking forward to keep making history with them in the future.
Indeed. Alright, so guys, are you ready to have some fun with us?
Yeah.
Alright, so are you guys having fun? Can you finish the first circuit?
Thank you.
So all you need to do is identify which circuit. Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Very positive?
Yeah, 100%
That's
sure.
right. Okay, so what about this? What circuit is that?
Valleloca.
It's somewhere up in Czech Republic. Any help?
Bruno.
Yeah, that's right. So we have one more over here. Come on guys, let's hear it for them. We have one more over here. Yeah.
Andreas Kom, this is Misano.
Misano, correct.
This is Phillip Island. This is
That's the last one for everyone to know. That's right.
MotoGP.
And somewhere in France.
What?
Somewhere in France.
Alemán.
Oh, France. That's right. So 6.
Artist, can you mind signing the
back? How impressive is that? Amazing job, well done. So guys, are you ready to meet your fans? Fans, are you ready to meet them? I can't hear you. Are you ready to meet Team Aprilia? That's right. So if everyone, as a Alright, so guys, please hurry up, make your way inside. As we mentioned, take your signed signatures from Team Aprilia and make your way over. Thank you so much for your cooperation and your support. So we appreciate everyone just moving this forward.
Thank you.
So everyone, we appreciate you moving forward for the rest of the fans to get their opportunity. So you guys are the very lucky few, yeah, to be meeting Team Aprilia in person right here for the Malaysia MotoGP 2019. Thank you for your cooperation and your support. Guys, please move forward. No photos here because we want to give all the other fans the opportunity as well for the signature. So everyone can please make your way inside. Just take your signature from our team of Columbia.